Now in a moment I'm going to have you open your eyes. On the count of 3 you're going to open your eyes, and each time you see my pocket watch pass across the screen in front of you, you're going to allow yourself to let go even more. Become more and more focused on the suggestions as they come. Be more and more relaxed mentally and physically, allowing all other thoughts to fade to the side. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Opening your eyes now. And find that every time that you see the pocket watch, you allow yourself to drift deeper into a state of trance. And when the pocket watch falls off the screen, you close your eyes and go even more. Very good. And once again, 1, 2, 3, open your eyes, finding the pocket watch on the screen, and deepening your state even more. And 1, 2, 3, opening your eyes now, and you just follow it. You follow it. And you drift down deeper. Closing your eyes, relaxing, letting go, concentrating on your breathing and the sound of my voice, and taking in all the suggestions that I give to you, easily, effortlessly, without hesitation.